Hello, my friends, and welcome to today's math lesson for today. Today we are going to be continuing with money. So this lesson is 7.2, and we are going to be learning about quarters today. So yesterday we learned about dimes, nickels, and pennies, and we learned their value. And today what we're going to be learning about is quarters and kind of their value. So the essential question that we're going to be thinking about to ourselves and answering is, how do you find the total value of a group of coins? So we're going to be adding, again, quarters into the mix of that as well.
Hi there! My friend Jay saw some shiny coins in the grass while she was flying, so I picked them up and put them on the table. Click the table to see what kind of coins they are. I wonder how much money this is. I think we'll need to learn more about adding values of coins in order to answer that question. Come on, let's go see how that's done.
Let's sort these coins. Let's put all the nickels into this box. Which of the coins are nickels? Click to find out.
All right, so nickels, if you remember, are bigger than dimes, right? So dimes are actually the smallest coin. So from here, we should be able to determine that this is a dime, right? So then the biggest, I'm sorry, not the biggest coin, but a coin that is bigger than the dime is the nickel right here. You'll see this other coin that's even bigger than nickel, but we're going to actually talk about that in a second. Okay, so right now we're just going to put all the nickels
The 3 coins in the first
right
box
there.
are nickels. This is the front of a nickel. This is the back of a nickel. Each nickel has a value of 5 cents. Let's put all the dimes into this box.
So if you remember,
Which of the coins are dimes?
the dimes are smaller than the nickels. So again, this would be a dime. This is a dime, but looking at it from the other side. Okay, so there's two sides. You see a face like this, and then you see another kind of image like this, and it actually says one dime right on it. So that's a way for you to know if that's a dime.
These 3 coins in the middle box are dimes. This is the front of a dime. This is the back of a dime. Each dime has a value of 10 cents. Let's put the last kind of coin in this box.
Okay, and so
The 3 coins in the last box are quarters. This is the front of a quarter. This is the back of a quarter. Each quarter has a value of 25 cents. All the coins have been sorted. There's a group of nickels, a group of dimes, and a group of quarters. The value of a quarter is greater than the value of both a nickel and a dime.
okay, so just remember that a quarter is actually the biggest coin out of all the coins. We have quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. Okay, dimes are the smallest, right? Then we have pennies, which you don't see here, but pennies are worth 1 cent, remember from yesterday. Then the next biggest is the nickel, which is worth 5 cents. And then the next biggest, which is the biggest coin, is the quarter, which is 25 cents. The reason why they call it a quarter, and maybe they'll explain this a little bit more when we go to the next page, but the reason why they call it a quarter is because you need 4 of them to make $1. So if you remember our fractions lessons from last week, you remembered me telling you that 1/4, right, is also the same as saying 1/4 or a quarter of the whole, right? So that's a perfect example is money. Okay, so 4 of these make up one whole dollar, right? So if you have 1/4, right, you have 25 cents, or you have 1/4 of a dollar. Okay, so that's kind of why we use the word quarter for both fractions and for money. Okay.
This coin is a quarter. 1/4 has a value of 25 cents. 2 quarters have a value of 50 cents. In this group of coins, there are 2 quarters. Each has a value of 25 cents. There are 2 dimes. Each has a value of 10 cents. And there are 2 nickels. Each has a value of 5 cents. Let's find the total value for this group of coins. When you count coins, begin with the coins of the highest value. These coins are arranged by value. Click to show counting on to find the total value.
So remember, we did this yesterday, so it's just going to demonstrate to you again how you can count on using each coin.
25 cents. 50 cents. 60 cents. 70 cents. 75 cents. 80 cents. What's the total value of the group of coins?
So remember again, so 25, 50, then once they get to the dimes, they start counting on from 50 by tens. So 50, 60, 70, and then nickels are 5, so then we count on from 70 by 5s. So 75, 80. So our total value of all of these coins, the 2 quarters, the 2 dimes, and the 2 nickels, is 80 cents.
That's right. This group of coins has a total value of 80 cents. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
All right, so let's go on there, do some examples. Just gotta sign in. I guess it signed me out while I was doing this. All right, so let's try. Sorry, guys. Having some technical difficulties, but no problem. Okay. So it says Ed's coin has the same value as a group of 5 pennies and 4 nickels. Select Ed's coin. So he has one coin that is the same value as a group of 5 pennies and 4 nickels. So first, let's start. Remember, it said use the count on starting with the biggest coin, or the one that's worth more, right? So we know that nickels are worth more than pennies. So we're going to start off by counting by 5s 4 times. So 5, and you can count with me if you would like to. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 4 nickels is worth 20 cents. And then we add 5 pennies. So from 20, we then count on my ones 5 times. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 4 nickels and 5 pennies is equal to 25 cents. And one coin that does equal 25 cents is the quarter. So the answer would be C.
Awesome!
Okay. Our second question says, I have the same value as 2 nickels. What coin am I? Select the answer. I want you to take a second just to think about it. What coin here has the same value as 2 nickels? Remember, nickels are 5 cents. So if we had 2 of those, would that be equal to 1 dime, 1 quarter, 1 penny? Well, I'm sorry, would it be equal to 1 nickel, 1 quarter, 1 penny, or 1 dime? So just take a second to think about that. I have the same value as 2 nickels. What coin am I? Okay, so 2 nickels, right? Again, each nickel is 5 cents. So if we have 2 nickels, that means we have 5 and 5. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. So what coin would represent 10 cents? It's not the nickel. Quarters are worth 25 cents. A penny is worth 1 cent. And a dime is worth 10. So the coin that has the same value as 2 nickels or 10 cents would be the dime. So our answer here would be D. I don't know why it's not letting me.
You did it!
There we go. Okay. All right. Nice job. So now what you guys are going to
Let's
do.
practice with the personal math
Oop.
trainer.
Now what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to log on to Think Central if you are ready and take the assignment for chapter 7.2. If you still feel like you need some extra practice with counting coins and incorporating the quarters into counting coins, be sure to check out the next video that I have, which is going to have us go through some smart notebook slides, and we'll do some more activities with counting money. So again, if you feel like you're ready to go do the assignment for 7.2, you can log on to Think Central and complete that. If you still need some more practice, or if you need some other examples or activities to help you better understand this lesson, then make sure you check out the video next to this one. Okay? Good job, everybody. Thank you.